Rain, you away.
Come again, another day. Rain, rain, go away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
You're changing the phone.
No, I couldn't hear you. I just turned it up a little bit.
I said the other night when you come in and you were buzzed with Maura and Keegan were here, I was afraid of you.
My mom, I was just tired.
Jack, I don't want to go through another night like that.
I told you, my mom, I've never smoked a marijuana cigarette my entire life.
No, you use a pipe.
No.
Yeah.
Blunt wraps.
Jack, it's not funny. None of it's funny.
Now greetings to the world. Voice of the one.
Bust your ass!
Outside Skrillex. Them for no.
Bust your ass! Bust your ass!
But listen, I'll leave you.
Bust your ass!
Is it okay if I just give you? That's the perfect idea.
Bust your ass! Bust your ass! Bust it!
Can I just bring it on?
Bust your ass! Bust your ass! Fuck you! Bust your ass!
The following video.
Oh, that girl was like...
That was our girl.